back to my channel. My name is Daisy, a proud slum girl in Kenya, but now I'm in Uganda, the pearl of Africa. To be specific, I'm here where we make bricks, and I want to show you how Ugandans youth in Uganda make a living. So to be specific, we are here where we make bricks. Is a brick making process. So we want to see, is it easy or is it hard? Because even in Kenya, people do struggle to make a living. So we want to see, as you can see here, this is clay soil, and we want to know where this clay soil is from. This side we have clay bricks are already made, but they are very still wet. On this side, guys, we have on this side we have where we make the brick. So this is the thing that makes the brick. This is how it looks like. And then we have this stand, as you can see, this stand, and then we have some water right here. So maybe we wanna go, look at my feet, guys, so dirty. So maybe we wanna go and see how they make their bricks. So the whole of these are bricks, guys, the ones that have been made. So people, dried bricks. Yeah, dried bricks. So guys, the bricks always goes for 300 Ugandan shillings, one brick for 300. That is 11 Kenyan shillings, which is equivalent to $0.08. So let's see how this one goes. So this is the clay soil, but from this clay soil, they derive the clay soil from this water. So I don't know how, but I think, how do you derive the clay soil?
You dig it and you bring it to the line.
Oh,
with
the
the hose, yeah.
This is pure proof that every nation has hustling, and in as much as we call Kenya the hustler nation, I call Uganda the hustler nation as well, because people do hustle and work very hard to put food on their table. So let me know in the comment section, which building material do you prefer to build your house with? Is it clay bricks, soil bricks, is it cement, stones, timber, iron sheet, or EPS, which is the expanded polystyrene?
So guys, this is not a clean job. You have to get yourself dirty. So Sebo, yeah. Oh, thank you.
On the left side is dried clay soil, but here nothing goes to waste. So if it is to be used, they just add water for it to be damp, and then they use it to make bricks.
So guys, now we are going to no problem. We are now going for the wheelbarrow. Once you take the clay soil, you take this wheelbarrow. So you transport clay soil using this wheelbarrow. So that is what I'm going to do now. You have to check the lighting.
This place certainly has all the requirements to make clay bricks. First of all, clay is easily available. The space is so large, exposed to so much sunlight, which is needed to dry bricks and also to develop their strength.
So guys, this is the clay right here. This is what we used to make it.
It is.
So we want to now make the real bricks. This is how it is being made. As I told you, it's 300 Ugandan shillings. That is $0.08. Let me know in the comment section how much one brick goes for in your country. Let me know where you're watching me from. So these are the real struggles of the youths here in Uganda. it's a hustler nation, just like I said, because even in Kenya, it's the same. People really struggle to make it in life. So yeah, go and remove it, and then I try the other one. So you first you smear water first.
Yeah.
I take a portion of it.
Check out.
So guys, if you let me
It's too
it's a
much.
lot. Oh,
You put it on the same level.
okay. So guys, this is how it looks like. I'm told it should be level, so let me see if I can carry it. Okay, let me become. Hey, it's so heavy.
Like that?
Huh?
Like that.
Put up properly first.
Oh, where here?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! My
But you
first
put
one.
the what? The gap is too big. We have to extend.
Oh,
If you're
to
doing
put
your-
it here.
Hey,
Okay.
Yes, the best. Yes. Well
Oh my
done.
goodness!
Well
The second
done.
one! So let me do the last one, guys. You put it in. Where do you put it in water, Sebo?
That one.
So guys, that is the life of a typical hustler here in Kampala, to be specific, Semuto Road. So please make sure to support young businesses like this one, and also give them just a tip, because it's not so much easy doing this job from morning to evening. It's not easy. So thank you so much, Sebo. I appreciate. So let's take a video.